Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the shoe as you have seen and read in the thumbnail and the description. The Raida motorcycle riding boots which I bought because daily in Bangalore almost it is raining, and for my daily commute and for my rides and all that it will be good to have a proper boot. So the main reason I bought this was I wanted something which I can wear it daily, and also if I'm going for a short ride or something, for that also. I'm recording from one hand and then unboxing from the other, so if there is a vibration or something, please forgive me. Okay, here it is. So this comes with this kind of packing and all that. In the first look, when I saw it, really appears nice and sturdy, and the build quality also is very good, as you can see. And it is kind of subtle, which we can wear it while going to the office or daily, and simultaneously it has the protection as well. It has the toe protection and it has backside ankle protection as well. I'll just wear this and show you how comfortable this shoe is. So before that, I'll just show you how things are. So they have given extra velcro for extra grip, then there is a zip, and this is something I think so for water resistance something. When I'll start using, I will keep an update for that, how the water resistant or waterproof, what will be the situation for that. And inside they have given nice padding. This is the sole, the gel type of sole it is, and they have given this sticky gel, so your feet will be nice cushion will be there. So after using only I can tell you how this will be. So placing it inside the sole is also easy. It goes and stays over there. As I was telling, this one is, I think so, the waterproofing or water resistant layer, which will be tested tomorrow, day after, whenever it will rain, if I'm going out for a ride. And it is CE certified, so safety wise no worries. I'll just wear it and show you how the fitting will be. And yeah, they have given this reflective thing, so from backside if any vehicle is coming, this reflection of this particular strip is going to help for them to see, yeah, there is a person riding. So let's wear it and see. It is quite easy as you open this velcro, remove this thing, and there is nice space. It slides according to your feet size, always buy that. And this is also kind of fine. And then if you want, you can put your jeans inside or outside. So if you are going to an office or daily commute, keep it outside. If you are going for a ride and do the show off, keep it inside. I like it to be like this. There is the other one as well. It's very comfortable to wear as well, and the zip quality is also nice. I can feel it while using, though it is first time for me, then also it is not getting stuck anywhere. This is how it looks. From back side, if you see, if you keep it inside, I'll keep one leg inside. Means one leg is jeans, I'll keep it inside, and one will be outside, so you can have an idea how it will look with both the situation. So in one, the jeans is outside, so it is covering and it is not giving any normal shoe size. Normal shoe looks. In this, if it is, the jeans is inside the shoe, this is how it's going to look. It is comfortable. It is very light actually. and in the same time there is protection. There is a nice protection over here. On back side there is good protection, on the toe there is protection, and because there is a extra layer for water resistant, I think so it is going to be fine when it is kind of little bit rain or something. And the grip also is good, it is not skidding at all. I can feel that. So that's it in this video. A more in-depth review of this shoe I will keep it after using for maybe 10 days, 15 days or a month. I'll go for 2-3 rides and then I'll make another video. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for these kind of videos and more fun. And please like the video and share with your friends. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you very much.